You're also guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be breaking down the markets for the week and what we should expect or what we could expect in the days to coming days to come. Guys, if you do trade gold and BTC, this is the channel you should be subscribed to. Now, we are going to be first of all looking into Ethereum. Now, I've not been trading Ethereum for some time because my whole focus has always been on gold BTC. Now, there is actually an issue with the gold charts, which I've shared in my previous video, talking about the ranging markets we've been experiencing for some months now. Now, as a swing trader, um, which as someone who uses swing trade as my main trading system, trading gold has not actually been that easy. Why? Because most times you take trades, most times you hit TP1, all right, just like the trade we took um uh, I think on, was it Thursday? Yeah, in our community, the trade actually went all the way to TP1, took some partials, and later we closed that particular trade before FOMC the following day, which was Friday. So let me show you that trade before I continue. Okay, so let's take a look at that particular trade. So was the trade that we took on gold. As you can see, this was our entry over here. This is actually coming from our WhatsApp channel. So guys, if you want to be part of our WhatsApp channel, and just check the link below this video and you can join it for free and get trade updates. Now, as you can see, this was where we took our TP1 over here. And after that TP1, which was around this area, price started retracing. Then we have to get out of that particular trade. Now, on a normal day, if gold is bouncing from this Q zone over here, it should continue pumping. Now, the gold market has actually been ranging and it's a little bit difficult, holding trades for long because it just keeps going up and down. I already made a video about that, explaining what has been happening in the market for like 3 months now and why we are seeing that move. Now, if the setup I'm actually looking at, all right, for gold in this particular week is this ones over here. So first of all, I'm looking at gold either coming down to this level, all right, maybe after Monday liquidity sweep or something like that, then we'll take another buy from this level, or we are just going to maintain this particular structure over here, which is this break of change of character over here, then with this demand zone right here. So if we are able to get a buy opportunity from this level and we don't break out of that daily or higher time frame ascending triangle that I talked about in another video, then I'll have to take a break from gold and focus more on just trading BTC and Ethereum. Now, one of the reasons why I might add Ethereum if gold fails to break out of this, if this ranging behavior of gold continues, is because since the ETF of Ethereum went live, Ethereum has actually not been responding so much to BTC. So if before, when you are trading BTC and Ethereum, it's more like you are trading the same thing. But right now, it is not actually that the same. Like, the price movements are a lot more different. All right, though on the higher time frame they might seem similar, but you get the point, right? If you're into crypto trading, you understand what I'm trying to say. So um what am I looking at for Ethereum? Actually, it's very simple. I'm just looking at for a retracement from the pump we had on Friday. The pump we had on Friday over here. So I'm just looking out for. Though I'm actually in the weekend buy because I am targeting. I saw a setup during my trading session. All right, my trading session works both during weekends or weekdays. So as you can see over here, we've had this particular change of character over here on Ethereum. All right, after that Friday pump. So what I'm expecting price to do on Ethereum is to price to go all the way into the golden zone of that change of character. Then we're going to see price come down to this level. Now, this is where we're going to take a buy on Ethereum. So it's almost the same thing as what we actually have with BTC as well. So if you head over to BTC, see that I'm also waiting for BTC at that particular area. BTC has been a little bit choppy compared to Ethereum. I don't really know why that is happening, but that's just basically what I've noticed technically on the chart. So this is basically what I'm expecting. Now, this is where I have my trend breaker. If we are to see price close below this yellow line, then we're going to switch back to being bearish. But right now, what I'm more focused on BTC is this particular change of character over here that was formed on Friday. And then All I'm waiting for right now is just a pullback into my golden zone, then take a buy from there. So that's basically what I'm expecting from BTC, gold, and of course Ethereum this particular week. So let's just see how it goes, guys. There's nothing much on the chart. The chart is clean. Everything is clear. As you can see, there's a downtrend. And we got that reverse. And now on this particular level where we have BTC right now, it's actually a very key support and resistance level. As you can see, price has tested that level many times. We saw this over here. We saw this rejection. We saw this coming down here. We saw this. Then this is where we got that massive breakout. Now, we also saw price testing that level, and now we are testing that same level again. So this is basically the yellow the level at which you have this yellow line is actually a very crucial level for BTC. So I'm expecting price to bounce from this area, maybe I don't know, Sunday, Monday. But if you want to find out, just make sure you join our WhatsApp channel, because I'm going to be posting the trade live straight there for free. All right, so take care, guys, and do have a lovely weekend ahead. Bye.